Good morning, student. In this maths class, I am going to revise today maths addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction with the pictures. As you have already done in lower nursery, in upper nursery also, first we will do with the pictures. Addition. Addition means the total number of things which we have, and subtraction means the left thing. The left thing. Whatever the left thing which we have is called as subtraction. This is the sign of addition. This is the sign of addition and this is the sign of subtraction. This is the sign of addition and this is the sign of subtraction. This is plus and this is minus. Always remember, this is plus and this is minus. Wherever this sign is called the addition and this sign is called as subtraction. Okay. First you understand with the object. Suppose I have ice cream. I have made ice cream. I have suppose 3 ice cream. 3 ice cream I have 1, 2, 3. Someone give me 2 more. So total how many ice creams are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The total that come is called as addition. Whatever the total thing we have is called the addition. It's called the addition. Suppose what I have teach you. Suppose I have 3 ice cream and 2 more ice cream somebody has given to me. So how many total ice cream now? It will be 5. 3 plus 2 will be 5. Likewise, I show you in pictures also. In picture also, suppose 1, 2, 3 flower. And this is a sign of addition. Plus and here it is 2. And here is equal to. So how many total flower? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to write the number 4 here. It is a sign of addition. It is a plus sign. And it is 2. So total number 4 plus 2 we have to write here. We have to write here. 4 plus 2 will be 6. We will draw picture here. 6. I will draw picture here. 6. Okay, whatever the total things with me is called as addition. Okay, now see, I have 2 ice cream. 2. And somebody has given me 2 more. 2 more. Now how many total number of ice cream I have? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many total is there? 4. Whatever the total number of things which we have is called as addition. Always remember. Always remember this. Okay. Suppose I have 2 ice cream and somebody has given 1 more ice cream. Now how many total is there? 1, 2, 3. How many total? 1, 2, 3. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. What is the number? 2 plus 1 will be 3. Okay. Now this is the concept of addition. Subs. One more example you see. See, this is one tree and here one mango is there. One mango is there. Now in this tree only one more mango grow. How many total number of mango? 1, 2. How many mango? 1, 2. Okay. If I add one more mango, then the total number of mango will be 1, 2 and 3. Whatever the total thing we have is called the addition. Now the subtraction. This is the minus sign. This is the minus sign. This is called as subtraction. This is a sign of addition. So whatever the thing which we have and the half number of thing I will give. The left thing, whatever the left thing, it is called as subtraction. Okay. Suppose I have 3 ice creams. Suppose I have 3 ice cream. 1, 2 and 3. I give 1 ice cream to you. 1 ice cream to you. How many left? 1, 2. How many left with me? 1, 2. So, 3 minus 1 will be 2. Okay. 3 minus 1 will be 2. 3 minus 1 will be 2. First, make you understand with the pictures. Suppose I have 4 ice cream. 4 ice cream. Suppose I have 4 ice cream and 1 I have eaten. 1 I have eaten. It gone to my stomach. So how many left? 1, 2 and 3. So 4 minus 1 will be 3. What? 4 minus will be 3. Likewise, if I have 5 ice cream. 5 ice cream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5 ice cream, I have eaten 3. I have 3 ice cream gone to my stomach. How many left? Only 2. How many ice cream left? Only 2 ice cream left. So this is called as addition. 5 minus 3 will be 2. Okay. Okay. Suppose I have 2 ice cream. I have eaten both the ice cream. So how many with me? Nothing is there. It will be 0. It will be big 0. It will be big 0. Okay. Likewise, in this tree, see, this is tree. Two mangoes are there. How many mangoes are there? 2 mangoes are there. I have eaten 1 mango. How many left? How many left? 1 mango left. 1 mango left. Likewise, I have in this tree, how many mangoes are there? 3 mangoes are there. How many mangoes? Count. 1, 2, 3. In this tree, how many mangoes are there? 3 mangoes are there. Out of 3, I have eaten 1. I have eaten 1. How many left? 1, 2. 1, 2. So, once again. Now, how many mangoes? Count. 1, 2, 3. If I eat 2 mangoes, how many left with me? Only 1 mango. How many mangoes are there in tree? Only 1 mango. So the left portion, whatever the left portion, is called as subtraction. In picture wise, I will give you subtraction like this. Suppose I have how many toffees? You count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have eaten 3. Total how many toffees are there? 6. I have eaten 3. How many left? 1, 2, 3. How many toffees left? How many toffees are left? Only 3 toffees. How many toffees are left? Only 3 toffees. Only how many toffees are left? Only 3 toffees. Total number of toffees are 6 and I have eaten 3. So 6 minus 3 will be, answer will be 3. Okay. Likewise, These are balloons. What is this? Suppose I have how many balloons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons. Out of 5 balloons, 2 burst. 2 balloons burst. Out of 5, total how many balloons are there? 5. Out of 5, 2 balloons burst. So how many left? How many balloons left? 1, 2, 3. How many balloons left? 1, 2, 3. So 3 will be the answer. 3 will be the answer. Understand? Understand? Total number of thing, out of thing, how many left? That will be the minus. Okay. So I think you understand plus and minus very well. This is for all. Thank you.